Hey, I'm Carl with Apt, and we've got the iHome Kineta K2 alarm clock radio here. And it's got a lot of really cool features built in. As you can see on the side, it has this little cylinder, and that's actually an external battery that you can carry around with you. So there's a little eject button here on the top. Push that, it's going to pop out, and you've got an additional 2600 milliamp hour battery here that you can take around with you. So for example, on an iPhone 5, this is going to provide you about 1.5 times more charge. So if you use your phone a lot and you don't want to carry around an extra big bulky battery with you, you can throw this in your pocket, throw it in your purse. It's really compact, easy to carry around with you. Then on the top, you also have a micro USB input, so you can charge this if you're sitting at your computer and you don't have the clock with you. You can charge it with a micro USB cable, and then on the right below that, you're going to find the normal sized USB, which is where you're going to charge your product from. So that's a really cool feature that's built into this clock. Plug that in at night, let it charge up. It's going to be ready by the morning time, and then you'll have an extra battery to go. So that's one of the great features on this one. It also has Bluetooth built in, so if you have a Bluetooth enabled device like a cell phone or a tablet, you can play your music wirelessly right through the speaker here. It also has NFC built in, so if you have an NFC-compatible device, you can tap it to the side here. It's going to start everything up without having to enter a bunch of passwords and go through a bunch of different screens to get to your music. So that's a really cool feature as well. As far as controls go, they're all located up here on the top. You've got all your normal buttons, your power button, fast forward, rewind, your volume buttons, a Bluetooth button, and then a mode button to switch between the different modes. So you have Bluetooth, you've got an FM tuner built in, and you also have an auxiliary port, so you can plug in something that isn't Bluetooth. If you have a mini plug cable, so you can run it from an old iPod that didn't have Bluetooth into the back of the speaker here, and still listen to your music that way. You also have a USB charger on the side for other devices. If you wanted to charge your phone up overnight, you can charge your phone here, charge the extra battery here, and then you're good to go for the next day. It has 6 preset FM radio stations that you can program to whatever stations you like, as long as they're FM. And then you also have a backup battery built into this one as well. So if your power does go out overnight, you don't have to worry about missing your alarm. It'll still go off and you'll still be able to get to work or to school on time. It's got a nice big bright display here on the front, so it's easy to see, and a really decent sounding speaker built into this as well. So if you're looking for something that is going to offer you a little more functionality than a normal alarm clock radio, this is definitely a model to check out. That's the Kineta K2 from iHome. Make sure you check it out at apt.com. Leave your comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe on YouTube.